Now let's explain how to wear the acrylic glove box gloves. We have two sizes for the glove openings. The inner diameter is 106 swing mem, and the outer diameter is 100 mem. If the glove box is larger, we have a bigger glove opening with an inner diameter of 200 mem. When putting on the gloves, make sure you don't mix up left and right. Put the gloves into the openings, ensuring they fit all the way in without wrinkles. This prevents any leaks later on. Now let's put on the sealing rings. We provide 2 sealing rings for better sealing. Slide the sealing rings on from the bottom up. After fitting, make sure to insert the seal into the groove. Now, let's look at our second one. Alright, that's done.